Hi and welcome, this is Eleni, and today you will follow my attempt to paint on an unprimed fuchsia canvas that is the cover of this journal, and I will try to make two profile faces stand out without interfering with the background color too much. It's the first time I'm trying out something like this, so it was a challenge, but I'm pretty happy with the result. I will finish it off with some sparkling glitter, and off camera I will have to spray over it with some fixative or varnish because of the soft pastels I used. Later on you can also see a flip through of this journal. That is a journal with 200 GSM fine grain watercolor papers in it. It is by Jane Davenport and it's called Back to the Fuchsia. In it I have created pages with paintings and sketches from art lessons, pages inspired by daily art prompts, and pages that you can find as YouTube tutorials here on my channel. This video is part of an art collaboration and video hop called Artsy Second Sunday, and you can find all the information about it below. So after watching it, you are very welcome to watch all the other participants by hopping from one video to the next by using the links under each video. Now, if a video is too fast for you, you can easily slow it down with only 3 clicks. Find out how to do that in the description box. Hope you enjoy our creative fun and hope you get inspired in the process. Don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have. And if you appreciate our videos, give us a thumbs up and a comment. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.